Hey guys, welcome back to Code Like a Pro. In this video, we'll learn how to make our own virtual assistant using Python. So let's get started. So first, you need to install PyTTSX3. So you can just go ahead and open your terminal and then type pip install PyTTSX3 like this, and then you can click on enter. It will install it for you. It's going to take a lot of time. If you're installing it for the first time, it will take around like 45 to 45 seconds to 1 minute. But that's it. For me, I already installed it, and you once you have installed it, you can go ahead and import it into project. So you can type import pyttsx3. Next, what we'll do is we'll import another module which is web browser, and you don't need to install it because it's already there. So you can just type import web browser, and for now we'll only need these two. If we need anything else, we'll just import it. So now what we have to do is first we'll make our speak function, which will help our system to speak. So let's make a function for that. So function speak brackets and then audio, because it will speak the audio, and then a colon. So here you can be like assistant equals to pyttsx3 dot init, and just keep it like that. Next you can be like assistant dot say, and then inside these brackets you can type audio, which is what the assistant will speak, and after that we can type assistant dot run and wait. So it's gonna run itself and wait. So now we can come out of the function and type anything, like let's type speak, then brackets. Inside these brackets you can type what you want your computer to say to you. For example, hi, I am your virtual assistant. If we run this,
Hi, I'm your virtual assistant.
as you can see, it speaks to us. But this is not what we want to do. It's something very basic. So now we have made our function which will speak to us. So now I want the virtual assistant to give me some message, and like start. So for that we'll make another variable which will be start, for example, equals to speak. Hello there, I am your assistant. What do you want me to do? And then we can give it a colon and a space. Next, what we'll do is we'll make a if loop. So for like this. So if for example, open Google in start, we will be like speak opening Google, and then we will use our web browser module which we imported, and we will be like webbrowser.open google.com. So for that we'll be like https colon slash double slash and google.com, and after that we'll get out of the loop. So now if I run this,
Hello there, I am your assistant. What do you want me to do?
and we will not make it speak, we'll make it print or actually input, so it's easier. And now let's see. And now it will ask us, hello there, I'm your assistant, what do you want me to do? And now I'll be like, open Google.
Opening Google.
And then it will open Google like that. But now I also wanted to speak it. So I'll be like, speak. Hello there, the same thing. So I'll just type it. Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do? Just give a space there, and we are good to go. So now it will ask us like, what do you want me to do? You can be like, open Google, and it should work.
Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
Oh, so I've made a mistake here. So I made a mistake there. I should keep the speak function before the start. So let me just delete that. And put it over here. So we were like, speak. Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do? And now it will be a little bit polished.
Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
And then the text will come, and then we can type open Google, and it will open Google. So that's how it's going to work. And if you want, we can keep it in a while loop so that it keeps running. So while true, we'll keep a colon, and then we can just tab on your keyboard. It's gonna rearrange itself, and now it's gonna keep running. So you can take it can take how many ever commands it wants to. So now I wanted to open YouTube, for example. So I'll be like, if open YouTube in start, speak opening YouTube, and then web browser dot open https youtube.com. And now, for example, I wanted to open our own website, which you can access. I'll leave a link in the description, and you can access our website from there. So I'll be like, open Code Like a Pro website. In start, we'll be like, speak opening Code Like a Pro website. Next we'll be like, web browser dot open and the link of the website. And then I'll run this.
Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
And then I'll be like Code Like a Pro website.
Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
Oh, I think so. It's because of the while loop. So we have to remove the while loop, and then we can close the program. And I made another mistake here. So now I have to like press tab again. Uh, so you should not press tab. Sorry, you should press delete. Just click on delete on every line of code, and it's going to rearrange itself. And remember, these small errors keep happening. You just have to rectify them. So you can just keep clicking on delete until they are arranged, and then you can run it.
Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
And then I'll be like open Code Like a Pro website,
Opening Code Like a Pro website.
and it's gonna open our website. So you can also like give the while loop, but you have to be like very careful while giving commands to your assistant. So now I wanted to open Wikipedia, so I can be like if Wikipedia, if only Wikipedia in start speak opening Wikipedia, and then web browser dot open https wikipedia.org, and then we can run this.
Hello there, I am your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
So I can just type Wikipedia,
Opening Wikipedia.
and then it will open Wikipedia. So now what I'll do is I'll go a little more advanced, and I'll be like video in YouTube, and in start speak which video, and then I can give an input statement. I'll name it as video equals to input which video, and actually I'll just remove the speak statement. So once I finish the code, you can just see what will happen. So now I'll be like web browser dot open https https youtube.com, and then we can be like plus the video, and then we can be like playing the video. So speak playing the video, and if we run this,
Hello there, I I'm your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
Then we can be like video in YouTube. Which video? And I can be like Code Like a Pro.
Playing a video.
So I've made a mistake here. So first you can add a colon and before space, and then you can open a new window in your Chrome. Go to YouTube. And right here you can search for anything. For example, Code Like a Pro. And then you can copy this, which is https youtube.com/results. Like that, you can just copy it and paste it over here. Like this. And now it should work.
Hello there, I'm your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
So, video in YouTube. Which video? And we can be like Code Like a Pro.
Playing a video.
I think so we forgot one thing, which is equals to. And now if we run this.
Hello there, I'm your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
Video in YouTube. Which video? And we can type Code Like a Pro again.
Playing a video.
So it's like that. But the problem is, right now, one more mistake I did is I put the codes over there. So you can just remove the codes, and now it's gonna work perfectly fine.
Hello there, I'm your virtual assistant. What do you want me to do?
Video in YouTube again, and this time it will work. So Code Like a Pro again.
Playing a video.
And there we go, it works. So that's how you can play a particular video. So yeah, that's it for this video. You can go like even more advanced, even more deep into this. It's a very fun thing. And yeah, that's it for this video, and I'll see you in the next one. Till then, bye. And remember, these stuff are not illegal.